Welcome to my class, dear students of class 9 of Janakallan Adarsh High School. Please give concentration to my class. I am going to take another class. Dear students, we have already announced your half-yearly evaluation will be held after Idul Adha. So, some of your grammar are just remain to discuss. Now I shall discuss this. Dear students, the grammar items that will be held in my classes. Firstly, I want to discuss on changing sentence. Yet I haven't discussed more such item. So from today I shall discuss by serially. At first, changing sentence. Earlier it was called transformation of sentence. Without changing the meaning, all the things, especially negative, interrogative, affirmative, exclamatory, such sentences are generally changed its direction, and thus meaning cannot be changed. That means you have to do this as turn without changing the meaning. So at first, the number one, negative. Dear students, negative, that means not. You have to change the sentence by using not or any other negative sign. Here is negative. At first, the rule is number one, only or alone. If any sentence there will be given only or alone, and then you have to use none but, nothing but, not more than. I again say none but, nothing but, not more than, by replacement of only or alone. So here is none but. It can be used only for person. Nothing but. It can be used only for if it any things. Not more than. It can be used only number or age. So these three things are or can be used by the replacement of only or alone. Dear students, please write down. As you are students of class 9, you have already known about this grammar in class 8 or 7. Due to corona pandemic, more days we haven't taken this class, and so perhaps you may be forgotten all the things. I again say, if there is only or alone, you have to use none but, nothing but, or not more than by the replacement of only or alone. Now here is example. Only God can save us. Only God can save us. Here is only. After only, we can see here God. God can be compared as a person, so we can consider it person. So we have to do answer only God can save us. So I can use here replacement of only number because it is person. So number God can said, us. Dear students, I have used here none but, replacement of only. You must know, if there is only, there will be three things are stored here: none but, nothing but, not more than. So you must understand here carefully. If there is any person, like any person, so you have to use only none but. After that, only this pen will do. Here is this pen. Here is this pen. This pen is like a things, not a person. This pen. So we have to use here nothing but. So I can give here nothing but this pen will do. This answer has been done. Nothing but this pen will be will do. Number 3, Rima has only 10 taka. Rima has only 10 taka. Here is only, and then here is number. We know if there is number or is, then we have to use here only, not more than. So this answer will be Rima has not more than 10 taka. This sentence has been changed into negative. So, dear students, I have given here only one rule. This is called only or alone. If there is only or alone, you have to, if you have to change into negative, then you must think that after only, is it person or thing or age or number? And if there is person, you have to use none but. If there is any things, you have to use only nothing but. And after that, if there is any number or age, you have to use not then. Only, replacement of only, and then this sentence will be turned into negative. Dear students, I think who are watching at the moment the classes, you have enjoyed and understood clearly. Today I have discussed only one rule. After this class, that means my next class, I shall discuss more, and I think you will enjoy my class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.